All right, guys, got the Wax Gang Artdrop site here. This is how you put in a submission that will pop up here. The more listings, obviously, the more it's going to get, and then it lists down here all of them down before. We have some on the radar stuff that's links directly to your Atomichub. If you're on this list, I will be putting more on here. This is just for setting it all up, testing it out. Anyway, so let's put in a submission. First thing you got to do is log in. Hit the login in the top right. You're going to be logging in with your Google, so super easy. As long as you have a Gmail, it takes 2 seconds. It's going to ask you what account to use. Go ahead and go in. Okay, now once you're logged in, you're going to hit the drop submission, and you'll end up on this page. If you haven't put anything, obviously there won't be anything here. We're going to hit add new right here. And it's going to bring you into the submission page, and from here it's pretty much straight ahead. So all we're going to do is put in a title. Anything with the red asterisk we have to put in, guys, so make sure there's a title. Let's put in a quick little description. Make sure you put in your drop link. Now your drop link is not going to go on the event link. It's going to go on the more info link. Okay, so where this red asterisk is, that's where you put your actual drop link. This link leave blank. This is actually just going to automatically create a link to the page where all this info is. Okay, so only put in the title, description, and then more info link. Leave this one blank. Okay, the only glitch in this so far is a CSS glitch. I'll end up fixing it. Put in the date that's going to go. Let's say this is going to happen on the 13th. When you go for your time, when you select the time, it will select it, but it won't show it. There's some kind of CSS styling that I got to figure out why it's doing that. And then you want to make sure it's AM or PM. I'm going to say PM. Again, it is there. You just can't see it because of some styling issue, but I'll figure that out. Put in your time zone for closest city to you. Mine's Los Angeles. Let's try it again. Los Angeles, where are we at? North Dakota. There we go, Los Angeles. Okay, again, it won't show up there. This is a styling thing. It will change. I usually put the countdown method for the event to start. Again, it's not going to show right now, but it is there. Go ahead and put any tags if you want in here, and then upload your file right here, which is going to be your cover for this. And let's go over here. Drop. I'm going to put this. Where did I put it? Let's just use this one. Okay, and then don't do repeating. This is if the event's going to repeat. It's not going to repeat most likely, so don't worry about this. You can put a location if you want. I don't think I'll put a location, but I will put my organizer, which is me. When you hit it, it's going to refresh the page. Then scroll back down. I'm already in here, so I'm going to click that. Okay, and then say you're not a robot. And I think that's everything. And that's everything, guys. And now when you hit submit, oh, I forgot to put the cost. Always put in the event cost. So this is in WAX. Okay, so anything you put in here will list as WAX. So I'm going to list it for 60 WAX. So put it in there. And now we can submit it. And give it a second. It'll give you an approval. Just let it click through. There you go. Event was submitted. So now if we go back to our events list. All right, so when you come back here to your drop submission page now, you can click on drop submission or just hit the back button. You will see now that same one there. It's going to be pending until it gets approved. I'm going to try to get it so it auto approves, but for right now, if there's a pending, I'll check it in the mornings and prove what's there. So now that it's confirmed, you can actually go to the front page and it will be listed there. And there you go. So we have those ones, and there it is. There's our listing. So you can also see it down here. It's listed down here for dates, so that way you can see it. Now this calendar you can also check out either in a monthly view, a list view. This is the monthly. You see it has the dates. You can click on the dates to see what is happening on those days. So all of them will be listed. You can do it weekly, or daily too, so that way you can keep up with what's happening in the day or the week. You'll see what's happening. See, there you go. We'll know what's happening each week. So this way, it's just an easy way for us to know whose drops are going when. This is community open, guys. If you're on Wax Atomichub, feel free to use it. Like I said, it's super easy just to log in and drop your link submissions, and this way anybody that wants to buy drops, they can come to one place and see all the drops in one place. So anyway, hope that helped. All right, talk to you soon.